Hey guys, this is Andres from D-tronics here in Brownsville. Check it out. This is a 2023 Ford Bronco. This is a Badlands edition, so a beautiful truck. But guys, have you ever been in one of these brand new Broncos? I think every single customer I've ever talked to is complaining about the sound. And I just wanted to kind of let you, give you guys a heads up in what we've come up and what we consider as a solution or an upgrade. And this is a little bit of the puzzle that we came up with, or the parts of the puzzle that we came up with, right? So, of course, factory radio, and we're using the LC7i to using it as our high-level output converter. And one of the reasons that we like the LC7i so much is got that feature called AccuBase. So the AccuBase feature really lets you maximize that low frequency response. And along with that, we used Stinger's Bronco solution, and it's a beautiful enclosure specifically made to fit in the rear hatch door. And this comes with all the hardware out of the box. So you put the rivets, you have to, drill the 4 holes to be able to put the rivets on there, but it gets bolted onto the rear door. It's got that liner finished on there, and it uses a 12-inch audio control subwoofer. It sounds really nice, guys. I mean, so yeah, you can put bigger subs, you can put more bass in there really easily, but this still gives you that cargo space. It gives you the beach gear space, so. And guys, we've done a couple of these already and they sound amazing. And we're kind of using everybody's best solution. So we're using the SSV Works pods. These have that factory 3-inch speaker. And what we did here, we used a DB Drive marine style speaker that's gonna age very gracefully in here. And even if you put the top down, if you get caught in the rain, you don't have to worry about it. And I asked them to leave this panel open so you can kind of see what we did. We did an amp rack back here to house the amplifier and the LC7. So this is nicely done. Once that factory panel goes back in there, you'll never even be able to know that we were there. All the wiring, we use 100% copper wire, 100% oxygen free, so it'll never age. We did the DB Drives ES7s in the front. We did the DB speakers out in the back. We did the Neo 5-channel amp. And so just a great solution in here. And one that's gonna last really a long time, and it's gonna sound amazing. So guys, check us out. We got 4 different locations in South Texas, Brownsville. This is where we did this finished product. Our Harlingen guys, McAllen, Edinburgh. And this is something that we can copy, paste, and repeat. And not only sounds awesome, but it looks great. And just a wonderful upgrade for you to be able to really enjoy your beautiful Bronco. So again, Andres from D-tronics, and hit like and subscribe.